In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the solution for no sound or no audio on your laptop or PC. So the solution is really simple. First of all, you need to go to the Windows search option, then search over here, setting. Here you can see settings. So click on it. And here you can see system, click on system, and here you can see sound. So click on sound. So here you need to make sure that you have selected the correct speaker. Here you can see Realtek audio. If you select this, you will not hear any sound. So you need to select this one and make sure that the volume is correct over here. After that, just go down and here you can see more sound option. So you need to click on it and it will pop up something like this. And here you can see Realtek audio. So what you need to do is that you need to right click on it, then here you need to disable it, then just enable it again, then click on OK. So this should solve your issue. If it still doesn't solve your issue, then what you can do is that go to the Windows search option again, right over here, run, click on it, and it will pop up something like this. So here you need to write services.msc. So you need to write this, then click on OK. So it will open a window like this. So here what you need to do is that you need to go down and you need to look for Windows Audio. So here you can see Windows Audio and Windows Audio in point. So what you need to do is that just click on it, then here you will see the restart option, and if you just right click on it, you will see the stop and restart option as well. So we're going to just click on it, then click on restart. So it will restart Windows Audio, then click on this on Windows Audio in point builder, then you need to restart this, click on yes, and after that you can just close this and you need to restart your laptop or PC. And once you restart, your problem will be solved. But if it still doesn't solve, then what you can do is that here search for device manager. Here you can see device manager, click on it, and here you can see audio inputs and output. So just expand this. So here I'm going to click on this arrow icon, and here you can see Realtek audio. So what you need to do is that just open the audio input and output, just right click on it, and here you can see uninstall device. So you need to uninstall this. Just click on uninstall. After that, you need to go down and you need to look for sound, video and game controller. And over here you can see Realtek audio. So you need to just right click on it, then click over here uninstall device, and then check on this and click over here uninstall. So it will uninstall the audio device from your system. Then what you need to do is that close everything on your system and press on the power button for 10 seconds. So your system or your PC or laptop will turn off, then wait for 30 seconds and then restart your PC or laptop. And what Windows will do is Windows will automatically install the audio and fix your audio. Okay, so this method will 100% work. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.